All I want to do is be in Spain and tapas bars, not in this ferry. Hello, we are Joni and Sarah from Vantastic.
And together we travel and live full time in our pickup camper truck. And today is an exciting day. We are leaving the gloomy Finland behind.
Yeah, it's autumn time, so we need to go.
So we are taking ferry.
We are always chasing the sun and saw that the weather was really bad at Estonia, so we decided that we take the ferry from Naantali to Sweden because better weathers, and also we saw that the ferry to Sweden costs only 56 euros. Yeah, compared to Estonia it was 100 euros, so yeah, we save money also chasing the sun. At the moment weather is not that good, actually it's quite bad. It's rainy and it's gloomy, but it's a good thing that it's bad weather because it feels like that we are going to the right direction. I'm just trying to find a map of the... Can I get to the deck? I'm here. The weather is not that perfect at the moment, but these are the last weeks that are warm in Sweden. Oh, I think it's getting already colder when we get to Sweden. But this is the last opportunity of us going to south, and we don't have to suffer from the coldness and all these bad weathers which are here. Yeah, we don't like cold anymore. When in the past we were quite pleased with any weather that nature just throw at us. Yeah, beautiful archipelago of Finland. There's thousands and thousands of islands here, and they are maneuvering this boat here around these islands, which is incredible because the boat itself is as wide as this route is here, so it's quite amazing. The voyage is done and we are almost in a Campfire. Yeah. And our van is here waiting us to go to Sweden. Quite many motorhomes. Someone is taking electricity. I think it costs like 5 euros or 10 euros to get electricity if you have a LPG fridge or the batteries are too small. Yeah. But lots of people are escaping the coldness. Us too.
The ferry trip was kind of long, like 9 hours, and it was boring, but luckily we did have a free Wi-Fi, yeah. So we kept entertained.
And we downloaded a lot of offline maps during this voyage. Yeah. So now we have all the offline maps from here to Portugal. So we don't need to use data when we are driving or we are offline other reasons. Yay! New country day!
And just like that we are in Sweden and we will start driving in grey Sweden. We did drove away from Stockholm, the big city, all the way to Nyköping, I think this town is called. We are parked in some kind of forest park-up space, and it became so quickly so dark. We will go sleep and call it a night. Welcome to our camper van. We are traveling with these long plastic corner pieces. We will install them later. Yeah, exhausting day behind. We will eat the fish bollarna from Finland and some potatoes with our air fryer. Yeah. Sweden, great country. But we have a bunch of laundry to do, and doing laundry in Nordic countries is kind of expensive, so we are waiting until we will go to Germany. Yeah, ferry trip was nice. It was kind of long, but the prices were so cheap. It was the cheapest ferry that we could score, so we are happy about it.
Yeah, and the corner pieces goes here, so we can hide these curtain rails and curtain pinches thingies over here. Yeah, driving days are good for using air fryer because we basically get full battery after driving whole day because of the DC-DC charger, and making like potatoes like this takes up approximately 3% of our battery power, so it's nothing. Yeah, and it's cold night, so the diesel heater is kicking in. And I'm mixed feeling with the diesel heater. I still miss our Turma LPG heater because it was so good. For 10 years it gave us warmth and hot water, so it was pleasant. But now we are using the diesel heater, and as you can see here, no sound at all. It's totally quiet. And good reason to not use the LPG because we don't have LPG. Yeah, we have the refillable tanks still in our van. Tomorrow we will go to New Köping to fill our tanks so we can use also our stove. But today it's not today.
Hyvä.
No.
Good morning. Next morning we woke up from the Swedish Skogen and we are surrounded by Volvos everywhere. Yeah, we slept really good here in the forest area, and we will continue driving because we want to go bathe somewhere, bathe in the natural waters. This is getting very interesting. We thought we are in Sweden, but it seems we are in Rysbergen, so in the mountains of Russia. Google Maps, you are not doing your job right. After driving the whole day, starting from the morning time when the weather was gloom, the sky looks so much brighter and it's not raining. Look what we scored! This is a very Nordic scenery, at least we think it is.
Yeah, so much warmer. It's good to just drive south.
Yeah, we drove whole day. At first big roads and then smaller roads and then tiny roads, and we end up here in the middle of the blueberries.
Yes, good place. Quiet. Total silence.
Yeah.
It's so good feeling to be in the northern part of Europe where there's no fire bans that often. Basically southern Europe is totally fire ban the whole summer, so when you come into north you can have food on a live fire, which is the best feeling ever.
Soon good food, now good mood, good weather, beautiful place in the Swedish wilderness or whatever. Who cares? It's a pretty spot. And it's not that cold, which is super weird. Autumn is great time to travel Nordic countries because there's no bugs, no mosquitoes, so you can be here alone without those annoying little creatures. Yeah. We are cooking burgers and Joni is still in the t-shirt.
It's a bit cold, it's a bit nippy, but it feels good. It feels good.
Yeah, when you are next to the live fire, it always warms you. We did install a mirror tint on our camper windows, but they only work during daytime. So when the night is getting darker and you put light inside of your camper, you live in an aquarium, so you can see everything. We don't care because usually in the nighttime we are somewhere private. Wolves and bears can see us and we don't care. Yeah, this is a good spot. I think it's going to be rainy, but not sure. So that's why we are cooking dinner so early.
Just white bread, chicken steaks, some cheese and mustard.
This is good.
Tastes like summer and bonfire.